Viognier wines can be tough to pin down, but I'm going to tell you how to do so you can pick a good one and enjoy it. Welcome back to Drinking It In. We are on day 18 of the Wine Advent Calendar talking about Viognier. Now, Viognier wines are peachy and flowery, very aromatic, but have low acidity. So while they have some similar flavors to other wines, the experience is much different than other white wines. That low acid can be a challenge for some winemakers. I think it's part of the reason why Viognier is used in blends a lot. You see, I think it was a couple of videos ago where I tasted a Chenin Blanc Viognier blend from California. Viogniers, 100% Viognier wines can be just fantastic. The ones that aren't so good are flabby and boring, but the ones that are really good, you'll really enjoy. I had a Viognier from Jefferson Vineyards in Virginia, Charlottesville, the Charlottesville area. And it was just an amazing, amazing wine, like everything you want in a Viognier. Lots of peaches, lots of flowers on the nose, and just a texture and a drinking experience that was so easy on anyone who was drinking that wine. It's something that if you find a good Viognier, and you might start moving away from Pinot Grigio wines, right? You might start moving away from drinking more Chardonnay and kind of come back into the middle of Viognier. Another really good area for Viognier is Australia. I feel like if there's one place in the world that does Viognier best by itself, right, 100% Viognier, it's going to be Australia. One bottle to look for is from the Yalumba winery. There's a big Y on the label. They do a bunch of different bottlings, but the base Y Viognier bottling is a really good one as a starter, as an entry point to learning about Viognier. I'd love to know, if you actually have that bottle, if you source that bottle out and you go and you taste it, I'd love to know your thoughts on it. I'd also love to know if you've had any Viognier, or if it's sort of the first time you're really hearing about it as a potential wine to put on your table. Let me know. Thanks so much for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow.